So if you want to use DESMOS to look at what happens to parabola when you change things, then first of all locate DESMOS and then start graphing, and we'll type in the basic parabola shape, and these wee things down here help you to type it in. Y equals x squared. Okay, so the red one, y equals x squared. Click down for a new one. I'm going to cheat by copying the formula. So, but this time I'm going to look at what happens if you make it a negative x squared. Okay, and as you can see, it turns it upside down. Let's have a look at what happens if you were to make the number in front of x squared, the coefficient, maybe 2. So have a look and see the green one, 2x squared. Let's back it up a wee bit and see what happens if it's a number less than 1. So we'll try that one there out and see what happens. And as you see, here's my standard one. If it's a number less than 1, between 0 and 1, it's going to make it wider. Let's have a look and see what happens if you were to go y equals x squared minus 2. There it is. The red parabola is the original one. The orange one is the one that's moved down to negative 2. Okay. And one last thing to look at. Let's have a look at what happens if you go y equals x minus 3, to change that, y equals x minus 3, new bracket, all squared. There he is. The blue one is sitting on positive 3. So when we go x minus 3 all squared, it shifts across to positive 3. When it's x squared plus or minus a number, the vertex of the parabola sits on that number. So if you get any that you're asked to compare or say what would happen if, you can just open DESMOS and you can play around and just put the equation in, and you can see exactly what the graph would look like. And because of these lovely colours here, you can see how it compares to the original. Here's my original in red. I can also get rid of the ones that are a little bit confusing. So if I only want to look at the sideways shift, I can take out all of them. Here you go, original, and there it is, x minus 3 all squared sits along on positive 3.